next week's inauguration, crypto has this very frequent tendency to sell the news. There's been a large correlation of all risk assets, not just Bitcoin, right? Equities too, to the macro data and the rates being a higher for longer scenario. But all that is to say, in the short term, the market is always finding reasons to be worried. That's the wall of worry that needs to be climbed and creates the conditions for stronger future performance. And from a longer term perspective, I think there are truly so many durable headwinds that get us to a strong positive outlook for the year. But to sort of pace that out, certainly the biggest catalyst this year, like you said, is the political and regulatory inflection, right? This is a real paradigm shift for the blockchain industry. And when you think about what can happen, part of the reason why the blockchain industry has struggled over the last couple of years is just a regime that hasn't been as constructive in helping us grow. And the end result is that a lot of entrepreneurs have actually left the U.S. because they felt they weren't welcome here. There's been a lot of capital that's left the space because they felt it was unclear. All that is changing now. The number one reasons why investors said no before was the lack of regulatory clarity, and that's no longer something that they will say. In the near term, what can be done is definitely different than what can be done over the longer term.